So I'm making about 350 a month, and the website is just a little over a year old. It's like a year and a month.
Cool.
So
Very good. Congratulations. That's like a nice trajectory, especially for a busy person like yourself. We were just talking. You have a new addition to the family. So, yeah, what's your story overall? Like, what do you do for your full time gig? And then you could talk a little about your family as well.
yeah, so I'm in the U.S. Navy, and so I move around a lot, getting ready to move across country again. So it's always fun. Takes up a lot of time. Just had a new baby, so she's taking up a lot of time too. So just trying to balance out work and working at home and family. So
Right
it's
on.
fun.
Well, thanks for serving, of course. And I didn't realize you had all this stuff going on. Like right before we started recording, you were like, yeah, we got the 5 week old. We're moving
Hmm.
soon. Things are packed up. So thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I know that the time's precious right now. So appreciate it. And let's turn back the clock a little bit. In when did you enroll in the course, and do you remember when you first heard about affiliate marketing and stuff?
Yeah, so I think I rolled like a year and like 6 months ago, something like that, because I had another site before this site that I worked on. But then I first heard about affiliate marketing, I think in around 2016. I signed up for a couple courses that weren't your course, obviously. And they were just really outdated and bad. They had bad information and just kind of steered me in the wrong direction. But I didn't give up. I didn't want to give up because I saw the viability of this and being able to work for yourself. So I kept researching, and eventually I stumbled upon you and a few others that had actual good information, that courses that were actually up to date, and I just started following them, and here I am now. So
Cool. Very good. And as far as like the traffic numbers, can I'll get some screenshots from you, but over the last, say, 30 days or the last month or two, like what kind of traffic are you getting on a monthly basis?
it's anywhere between like 3,500 to 4,000 a month.
Okay, so it's not a huge number for the revenue
Hmm.
that you're doing.
No, not at all. But I've gotten pretty good with my product review keywords, so those are ranking pretty high. So I think that has a lot to do with the success for money.
Okay, very good. And can you give us some insight into like the special thing that you're doing to rank these product related keywords?
Nothing special, just
All right.
keyword research. There's nothing to it. Basically, just follow what you preach with keyword research. Really niche down, like really niche down, so that it's really targeted and specific, and just not really caring so much about the volume because a lot of times I see that the volume doesn't really match up to how much traffic I'm actually getting.
Okay, very good. And I guess you're talking about the keyword golden ratio, the KGR, to
Hmm.
help essentially like get that very long tail, ultra long tail traffic. So
Yep.